Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we were reading about pronouns, and in earlier classes, we have also learned about types of pronouns, personal pronouns we have discussed, and today we will discuss about possessive pronouns. What? Possessive pronouns. So, what is possessive pronouns? Words that are used to talk about ownership are called possessive pronouns. It means possessive pronouns indicates that something belongs to someone. Once again, possessive pronouns indicates that something belongs to someone. It means it shows possession or ownership. So once again, words that are used to talk about ownership are called possessive pronouns. Let me understand with some examples. Here is given some examples. So, I bought a new bicycle. It is mine. What is the first sentence? I bought a new bicycle. It is mine. Here I is subjective pronoun. Here I is subjective pronoun. And mine shows possession. Mine shows possession. So what is the possessive pronoun? Mine. Here, what is the possessive pronoun? Mine. Because it shows a possession. Or you can say, who is owner of the bicycle? Who is owner of the bicycle? Here, I is owner of the bicycle. But which possessive pronoun we will use? Mine. So, mine indicates that bicycle belongs to I. Okay, students. So, mine is possessive pronoun. Now, second, we have bought a new house. It is ours. We. Here we is in plural form. We is in plural form. So, we is also subjective pronouns here. We is also subjective pronouns here. So, what is the sentence? We have bought a new house. So, who is the owner of house? Here, we. Who is the owner of house? Here, we. It is ours. So, what is the possessive pronouns here? Ours. O-U-R-S, ours. This is possessive pronouns. Now next, Sunil made a painting. Sunil made a painting. Here Sunil is subject. Sunil is subject and it is noun or pronoun? It is noun because name is given here. So Sunil is noun here, but Sunil is also subject. So subject, Sunil is subject here. Sunil made a painting. Who made a painting? Sunil. It is his. Whose painting? His. So here, his possessive pronouns. Here, his possessive pronouns. Now next, they made a science project. It is theirs. They. They also subjective pronouns. They also subjective pronouns. So the sentence is, they made a science project. They made a science project. Who made? They. Here, subjective pronoun, they. So what is the possessive pronouns of they? It's theirs. Theirs. So what possessive pronouns you have find in these sentences? Mine, ours, his, theirs. Mine, ours, his and theirs. So what is the possessive pronoun of I? What is the possessive pronoun of I? It's mine. And what is the possessive pronoun of we? It's ours. What is the possessive pronoun of any person name? If it is male, then his, or if it is female, then her. Okay, students. Now they. What is the possessive pronoun of they? It's theirs. So once again, words that are used to talk about ownership, that is called possessive pronoun, and it includes mine, ours, yours, his, hers, etc., etc. These all are possessive pronouns. So I hope you must have understood this topic, what is possessive pronoun, and you must have understood also what is personal pronoun. So we have already completed two kinds of pronouns, personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Goodbye. Have a nice day.